in Lausanne.
Well, she has the benefit of her two Jamaican teammates who both made the Olympic podium as well. Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce, third fastest woman in history. And Sherika Jackson, who got the bronze. But there is Elaine Thompson, herah, 10.54 in Eugene. Oh, so close to FloJo's record of 10.49. Women's 100 meters from Lausanne. And Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce with a nice start in the middle, and Thompson herah is going to have to chase her down this time, and this time the roles are reversed, and she runs out of room, and look at the time for Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce, 10.60.
So a funny thing happened on the way to the world record chase. The Olympic silver medalist set a personal best and runs the second 10.6 of her career and of her season in pulling the upset. If you can call somebody considered one of the GOATs, Shelly Ann Fraser Pryce, 4 world titles, 2 Olympic titles, 10.60 meet record, and Thompson herah, 10.64, second place. But one thing is consistent, those 3 Jamaicans, as they have for the last 4 times now that they've lined up dating back to the trials, 1, 2, 3, nobody can separate them.
6 women under 11 seconds.